Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the concept of web mining. Okay, so everyone is using World Wide Web. So from that, how we can mine the data from World Wide Web? Okay, so that is the concept. Today's concept. So the objective of today's class is to we need to understand the concept of web mining. So then, what do you mean by web mining? Okay, so we'll understand all those things. Then what are the process involved in web mining? Okay, so in that web mining, so here we need to extract the data. Okay, we may extract the structure of the web. Okay, so like that from web log we will extract the new patterns. Okay, so all those things we will discuss in this process of web mining content. Then after that we will discuss about the structure of web mining and what are the web usage minings. So then after that some algorithms of web mining. Okay, so this is the objective of today's class. So first thing is we need to discuss about what do you mean by web mining. So web mining is the art and science of discovering the patterns insights from the world wide web. Okay, so in previous class we have discussed about text mining. So here we are applying a you know some data mining algorithms, and from that we will extract the new patterns or insight from the world wide web. So because this web is very important, so everyone so for any business applications, for all the things we need web. Okay, without web, so nothing is there. Okay, for any applications we want world wide web. Okay, so here from that web, when you are mining some new things, okay, so that one we will call it as a web mining. So web mining is the art and science of discovering a new patterns or insights from the world wide web. Okay, so here this world wide web is the revolution of art of the digital revolution. Obviously, so here suppose you want to book the railway ticket. For that we need web. So suppose you want to transfer amount to log into bank account, so for that we need web. So like that, for any for if you want to search for college, anything, more theaters, for all those things, for everything we need web. Okay, so that's why this world wide web is the heart of the digital revolutions. So here, what are the characteristics of optimized websites? Okay, so here the three things are very important. Okay, appearance. So here how it will looks like, how it will attract the user. Okay, so that is very important. So design of that website are it will be very attractive. Okay, like that the user can attract to that website. Okay, so that appearance is very important. And content, what content are there in that? So first thing is appearance. So then after that, second thing is content. So what are all the contents, important contents are there in the website? That is second one. Third one is how it will work, the functionality. What are the functionality? How will that website will fastly retrieve. Okay, so it will queries for all the answers, so all the questions. Okay, so that is the functionality. These are the three characteristics of websites. First one is appearance. Okay, so here second one is content, what content it contains, quality of the content. So then third one is the functionality. Okay, so these are the three characteristics of web mining, websites. Then this is the web mining structure. Okay, so here in web mining there are three important things. One is content, web content, another one web structure, another one is web usage. So three things. So if you go for anything, so here, so first we will mine the content of the web. Then after that we will mine from the structure of the web, and third one we will mine the web usage, that is a log. So how many number visitors are visited. So based on that we will mine the new pattern. Okay, so here structure, what is the link, how links are using hyperlinks. So we will mine the new pattern. And content, what are the contents are there in that web. Okay, so that is through HTML. So we will mine the new patterns are interesting things. So these are the web structures. So in web mining we have three things: content mining, structure mining, usage mining. Three things: content mining, structure mining, usage mining. These are the three things. Okay, so here when you come to content mining, web content mining, a web content mining. Okay, so here a web page is designed in the form of pages with a distinct URL. Okay, so for each website we will have a distinct URL. Okay, so through that URL you will go to that particular website, and whatever you want you can do on that website. Okay, so next, a large websites may contain thousands of pages. Okay, so here for any suppose for large websites may contain thousands of pages, it may contains. So you see here for a particular web page, if contains thousands of pages, so here how can you okay, how can you mine those data from the 1,000 pages? So here 1,000 pages is very big. Okay, from that you need to get a new patterns or a new discover from that. Okay, the pages are managed by software called content management system. Okay, the pages are managed by software called content management system. This content management system is responsible for managing the thousands of pages for a particular website. Okay, the text and application content on the page could be analyzed for its usage by visit count. The text and application content on the page could be analyzed for its usage by visit counts. The text, whatever the text and applications on the page, so it could be analyzed for its usage by visit count. So how many users visited for a particular page? Okay, so if more number of visited for a particular page, then there is some new patterns we may identify. Suppose if for a year 1,000 pages are there, so for 60th page 10 members have visited, for 70th page under 20 members have visited. So like that, based on the visit counts, we may analyze the new things. Okay, so this is the webcam based on, so content we have a thousands of pages. That type for each website we will have a thousands of pages. So how many members are visited for a particular page? So based on that we will find out a new patterns or a new things from that. Okay, that is nothing but a content page. Then structured page, structure mining. Okay, the structure of web pages could also be analyzed to examine the patterns of hyperlinks among pages. Okay, so here the structure is nothing but a, how hyperlinks are uh, you know linked to each pages. Okay, so here they could, this link is also analyzed and examine to get a new pattern. See here. Okay, these among, so among pages how these hyperlinks are linked, so that one also we will examine and we may get the new patterns. So here we will have one concept called hub. So here these are the pages with a large number of interesting link. Okay, so here this hub, what we are calling hubs is nothing but these are the pages with a large number of interesting links. Okay, from that link it will move on to next page. Okay, so like that it will connect to next further pages. So then that particular page, if contains more, huge number of interesting links, not only links, it should be an interesting links. Okay, so that interesting, how many members are visited that interesting link, that is also a count. Okay, so that one we will call it as a hubs. These are the pages with a large number of interest link, that one we will call it as an hubs. So through that hubs also we can discover a new patterns or a new insights. Okay, next one is authorities. So authorities are nothing but ultimately people would gravitate towards the page that provide most complete and authoritative information on a particular subject. So ultimately people, they will give the feedback about the particular pages. It should be most complete and authoritative information on a particular subject. For a particular subject, a users, say users are a people, they may give the feedback about the particular page. So that when from that also we will get a new patterns from the people. Okay, so when you analyze the people opinion, so from that you will get a new pattern for a new insight, for new knowledge from that. Okay, so these are the two things, hubs and hubs are nothing but from the interesting links, and through peoples we may mine the web structure mining. Okay, next third one is web usage mining. So usage is nothing but a every for how many members are visited. Usage is nothing but a log. Okay, so here how I identifying the users and identifying the pages, those are nothing but a logs. So here this is an architecture of usage mining. Okay, so here the a website in that we have users, visitors, customers, those are all these there. So from that, so here from that how particular web blog is clicked by a particular stream. Okay, so here so user are visited, a log is created, a particular user he visited. So you will see the, in YouTube, to 1 million views have done. Okay, so then for a particular college website, 1,25,000 visitor visited. So how we will get that is from the weblog. Okay, so here when user or a customer or a particular visitor visited for a particular website, the log has been created. Okay, so from that log you should gather and prepare the data for analysis. Okay, so log is created, so it is a raw data. So from that raw data you need to gather and prepare for analysis for the further. Okay, so here how we will we will identify the users. So what are the different types of users visited, then identify the visits, for what purpose they have visited, and identify the page views, summarize all those things. Okay, so these are all the task done in preparing the data for analysis. Okay, so we'll identify the users. So whether the users are most of the students or business application persons, car customers, like that we need to identify the users. Okay, so then identify the visits. Okay, identify the page views, how many page views are done. Okay, so then finally we need to summarize all those things. Okay, so then after that, once the data is ready for analysis, then you will apply the data mining algorithm. Okay, so mine the data for patterns. So here, so you will get a user patterns, user profiles, web page profiles, web, for all these things. You need to put a data mining algorithms. It may be classification or a clustering, supervised learning or unsupervised learning. A number of data mining algorithms are there. You can apply for that, and you will get a new patterns or a insight. Okay, so here that is the web usage mining. So that is the in web structure, in the exams they may ask, so what do you mean by web mining, and what are the different types of web mining? That is it. That one will be web mining is the art and science of the discovering the a new pattern insights from the World Wide Web. So here in that we have three things. One is content mining, then web content mining, then usage mining, and web structure mining, content mining, structure mining, and usage mining. These are the three things you need to explain. Surely they will ask one question from this. Okay, then what are the web mining algorithms we have used? Okay, so here hyperlink induced topic search, that one will collected its. Okay, that is one algorithm. It is a link analysis algorithm that rates the web page as being the hubs or a authorities. Okay, so this algorithm, this its is an algorithm. It is a link analysis algorithm. Okay, so a link analysis algorithm that rates the web page as being a hubs or authorities. Okay, so it will identify the its whether that link, okay, that particular web page as being a hub is nothing but a collection of links, interesting links. So it will identify that that particular website as a hub or a authorities is nothing but based on the user. So that is the algorithm. So it will identify the rate web page. Okay, rates web pages as being a hub. Okay, so here it's is based algorithm. It's based algorithms are also been published. They are also been published. Okay, but it's based algorithm in number of. Another algorithm will have a page rank algorithm that helps to determine the order of pages listed upon a Google search query. So it will give the order of pages listed upon a Google search query. So here in 10% they have, search for a particular web pages. Okay, different web pages. Then this page rank algorithm, it will gives the which page is having the highest rank. Okay, so like that it will display the rank wise web pages. Okay, so these are the two algorithms we are using. So this PageRank algorithm in next in social network analysis we'll have this concept. Okay, we'll discuss that one in detail. PageRank algorithm. Okay, so these are the things. This is very simple chapter. So here, what do you mean by web mining, and what are the different types of mining techniques? Okay, so then after that, so these algorithms, list hits and page ranking algorithms. These are the two algorithms are used for web mining. Okay, so here we have discussed the concept of in this we have discussed the concept of web mining. What do you mean by web mining? Then after that we have discussed about the process of web mining content. Okay, so that is types of web mining. It would be a structure and web structure mining, content mining, structure mining, and usage mining. Okay, so these are the three things. This is web content mining, structure mining, and usage mining, and web mining algorithms. So